Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to create a super smoky look with a little bit of terracotta orange. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you enjoy it, please do leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Nina Ubhi. It covers really well, but it doesn't dry too quickly. I'm going to use the Dior brush for this. It's number 12 and I'm just going to buff it into the skin. Right, I haven't got a Dior powder, so I'm just going to use one of my other setting powders. I think I'll use the banana powder, which is this one here. I'm going to put some right on my lower lash line, just at the beginning of it, just to open it up a bit. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes. These are amazing, but let me just curl my lashes. I'm using the Eyeko eyelash powders, they're so good. I'm going to put my lashes on, which are my own branded lashes, and these are called Nina, this particular style. They're called Nina because they were my favourite when I was developing them, and I tend to wear these more than any of the others. Wow, this gives us such a nice sheen. You can see that there. I didn't think it was going to come out as pigmented as this, but it's actually a really lovely sheen to the face, and it's a really nice glow.